Hi, this is Daniel Ramey with Circo Innovations. Today we're going to be showing you how to build the PVC canoe shade cover. Let's get started. So these are the fittings you will need to build most of the frame. First we're going to start with the snap cross. So 1-inch snap cross, you're going to need 4 of those. You're going to need a 45-degree elbow. This is also 1 inch. You're going to need 4 slip tees and 1 inch, and then you're going to have the reducers. This reducer goes from 1 inch to 3/4, and then 3/4 to 1/2 inch. We'll show you how to assemble those a little later on. You're going to need 2 of these cut to 6.5 inches, just like that. And you're going to need 1 long section. It's going to be 39 inches long. And lastly, you're going to need about 20 of the snap clamps, the 1/2 inch snap clamps. That's item number 11. You order it on our website. And so those are the snap clamps. That's everything you'll need there. Okay, so what you need for the frame here is you're going to cut your 20-foot section, 2 20-foot sections of 1/2 inch PVC pipe to 13 feet for the long sections here. This line here, this pole is going to be 32 inches long. Your middle one's going to be 37 inches long, and this one here is 27 inches long. So you can customize this for your canoe, but this is what we chose to do. And so yeah, next pieces you're going to need there is your slip tees. The slip tees, they're 1/2 inch, and these are finisher grade slip tees, and you're going to need 6 of these for the frame. Alright, so I'm going to slide all my slip tees on here. I'm going to take these sections of pipe that I've already cut, I'm going to glue them in, and I'm going to kind of set them to roughly the right spacing, but I don't want to screw them with like a self-tapping screw or anything until I get it onto the canoe, because I want to make sure it's exactly where I want it. Liam, hey! Are you helping Daddy? Come on. Alright, we're going to start building the frame onto the canoe. We're going to take 2 of the snap crosses, place them just like this. Obviously, if the snap clamp design does not work with your canoe, what you can do, I guess you'd say, is get a 1-inch piece of pipe, PVC pipe, and screw it into your canoe. But this, obviously, if your canoe works in the right diameter for this 1-inch design, this is the best way to go. So what we're going to do here is use the 2 links that are cut to 6.5 inches long, along with the elbow fitting, to build this back design. Okay, so now you're going to put another snap cross on either side on this back side of the canoe. Just like that. You're going to take your 39-inch, piece of pipe, snap it on. Put our slip tees on here, one there, one here, just like that. All right, so now we're ready to prop up the covering here. Okay, so you finished your frame. Now you're just going to use some snap clamps to attach the tarp. The tarp we got was a heavy-duty 12-foot sidewall tarp we picked up at a local store in Grass Valley, California called Swayze's. Really good tarp. We folded it multiple times. We did this so we could actually unfold it. Maybe we're camping or on a hunting trip. We want to pull the tarp out and cover the whole canoe. We got a tarp that was big enough so we could do that, as well as fold it and make it for the shade here. So like I said, you're just going to use snap clamps and secure it down. And you're good to go. We just got back from our trip to the lake. It was great. We did see one thing. So this here, after you had a lot of wind, these started to kind of move a little bit. Just a tad, but it was just enough that I think we could fix that. So we got back and we took one of our 3/4 inch grip clamps. They're aluminum, and we found that if we put them on here, aluminum to aluminum, you're not gonna hurt anything. These don't slide. They're really firm. You're not going to move them without a lot of tension. So we put one on each side, and that completely fixed our problem. Now in the front here, we didn't have any problems because it was closing in the gap. So they're actually tightening as it gets blown around. And those didn't move whatsoever.
For more PVC ideas like this, follow our YouTube channel or our blog. You'll see the URLs in the comments below. If you'd like to purchase some of our products, go to our website at www.circoinnovations.com. Thank you for watching.